You bought a health insurance plan in the non-Obamacare market about a couple of years ago. You were super healthy, just needed health insurance for just in case reasons. You were in your early 60s, but now you're 64, about a year away from Medicare, which is the promised land is what I call it. Your home state is Florida and your income is above average. You try to avoid the marketplace in your home state because the starting price tag is about $1,225. A couple of years ago, you bought a non-Obamacare plan for about $700 just for yourself because you just needed health insurance for just in case crap happens to you. Well, you've come across a scenario where you actually need a surgery done. It happens to be an elective surgery. And your $700 health insurance plan, if I did a Command F for the word elective, your $700 a month plan unfortunately does not cover elective surgeries. An elective is a type of surgery that is planned in advance and is not considered an emergency. Here are scenarios of elective surgeries. Definitely most health insurance plans are not going to cover cosmetics. But in this situation, you need a knee replacement. And it's not cosmetic, it's medically deemed necessary. Unfortunately, in this scenario, knee replacement is something that is an elective surgery. Your $700 a month health insurance plan that you've had for the past couple of years only covers emergency surgeries, like you got involved in a car accident and your arm got detached and it needed to be sewed back on. That type of scenario is what's covered with your $700 a month plan. You're in your 60s. Health insurance plans are about 4 digits a month for you because these health insurance plans in the ACA marketplace, starting at $1225 for an HMO, PPOs are a better network. Doctors get paid better. Hospitals get funded better when they see the words PPO on your medical card. PPO start at about $2,300 a month. When you look at the plan details of these plans, summary of benefits, you click on this, you're going to observe that if you type in the word elective, you're not going to find any exclusions regarding electives. But with your current plan that you have and you type in elective on the upper right hand corner, you're going to see that it's not covered. That's why your health insurance plan is so affordable, because it doesn't cover elective surgeries. So what you can do is try to ask for the self-pay route. A self-pay is where you don't use your health insurance. A knee replacement is going to be in the thousands, tens of thousands. Let's ask Claude as to how much a knee replacement costs in the state of Florida. How much does it cost for a knee replacement in the state of Florida? So it's not cheap. It can range anywhere from $14,000 to $18,500 for a knee replacement without using health insurance. So that sucks that you're paying $700 a month for the last couple of years, and then when you need it the most, it's not going to pay for anything. So even though you think that you need health insurance for just in case reasons, you got to forecast and predict if shit's going to happen to you in the near future. And that's what sucks about shopping for health insurance. You got to gamble on your health. Just ask yourself, why is it so affordable? Why is the deductible so low at $300, whereas the rest of the market is at around $2,300 for the same type of a PPO, but with a $6,150 deductible? What gives? If you got any questions on this subject matter, just shoot me a DM.